Hi everyone, welcome to transformation matrix. Now I have shown in the previous video tutorial on how we get the transformation matrix as this one, whereby it is a rotation, center 0 0. So this is 0, this is 0 not theta, center 0 0, angle theta is a general angle. It could be 90 degrees, 0 degrees, or any other. And we are rotating it anti-clockwise. This is the general case. So from this general case, we are going to see now the corresponding matrix of transformation. So number A, we want to consider now the rotation center 0 0. So C stands for center 0 0, and the angle of rotation is 90 degrees. 90 degrees, which is the same 90 degrees anti-clockwise, or 270 or negative 270 degrees. So angle of rotation 90 degrees anti-clockwise, it is the same as a negative 270 clockwise. When we are considering rotation, we consider the clockwise. So when the angle is positive, it means it is anti-clockwise. What we are going to do now from this general case, we are going to write our values as so you have cos, here sine, and you have negative sine, you have then cos. Now from this general case, our angle now here is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Now these are simple, you can obtain them from calculator to find out that the cos of 90 will be 0, and the sine of 90 will be 1. So meaning that our matrix of transformation will be given by 0, sine of 90 is 1, negative 1, cos of 90 is 0, that way. So from this general case, that is how you simply obtain the matrix of rotation and clockwise in direction 90 degrees, or clockwise in direction negative 270 degrees, center 0 0. Part 2, the center is the same. Part B now we consider our center 0 0. Our angle in this case is 180 degrees. 180 degrees, which is the same as the rotation, and which is the same as the rotation about 0 0, negative 180 or negative 180. Negative 180 means it is the rotation on the opposite direction. 80 degrees, it is anti-clockwise. Negative 180 degrees, it is the clockwise. So from our general case, the one we have here, we are going to have a cos of 180 degrees, then sine of 180 degrees, a negative sine of 180 degrees, cos of 180 degrees. Again, you can get this from calculators, but the cos of 180 degrees is negative 1. It is negative 1. So here we are going to have negative 1. The sine of 180 degrees is 0. 0 times negative will give you 0. And that of 180 degrees is negative 1. So this is the matrix of transformation. Center 0 0, angle 180, either anti-clockwise or negative 180 clockwise. It is the same. And finally, we consider now our case center. Center is the same, 0 0, angle we are considering now the angle of rotation, center 0, 0, the angle 270 degrees, which is the same as the rotation about 0, 0. This is the same as negative 90 clockwise. When you move negative 90 clockwise, and the other one move 270 anti-clockwise, it is the same thing. So we move from our general case, cos, sine, negative sine, cos. Our angles is 270 degrees, 270 degrees, 270 degrees, 270 degrees. So from this general case, you can use your calculator to find the cos of 270, which is 0, and the sine of 270, which is negative 1. So this is cos of 270 is 0. That of 270 is negative 1. So negative 1 and the negative 1 will give you 1, 0. So this is the matrix of, that is the matrix of transformation. Center 0, 0 are rotating it when the angle is 270 anti-clockwise or negative 90 degrees clockwise from the general case. Finally, part D now we consider the general case. Center is 0, 0, angle is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So general case is you have cos, sine, negative sine, cos. So here we are considering 360 degrees, 360 degrees, 360 degrees, 360 degrees. Now from your calculator, you can obtain the cos of 360 degrees, which will give you 1. So the cos of 360 is 1. The sine of 360 is 0. So 0, 1. So those are the matrices of transformation for these 4 cases. So you don't have to cram anything here. Or what you need to master is the general case, which we have considered. Once you have your general case, then you can substitute the respective angles. The general case we have considered is here. Cos theta, sine theta. Theta is any angle, and we are rotating it through the same 0, 0. This is called the standard matrix because they don't change. So when the angle is 90, this is anti-clockwise. You are rotating it anti-clockwise. When it is 90, you substitute the values here and you get your case as this. So this is the standard matrix of rotation. Center 0, 0, angle 90 degrees anti-clockwise or negative 270 clockwise. This other case here, this is the scenario here. When you are dealing with now in this case here, you are dealing with the angle of 180, clockwise or anti-clockwise, it is positive, negative is clockwise. So you replace here on the standard part and you get your matrix as this, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1. When now the angle is 270 and anti-clockwise or negative 90 clockwise, you replace and you get your values as 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Finally, you have this other case here of center 0, angle of rotation 360, meaning that it is a complete circle, and we are going to get this result. Now, so we are done now with the rotation. and reflection. So for the video tutorials on how to obtain the standard matrix of on the angle of rotation and on the reflection, kindly check in my YouTube channel. The next case we are going to look at the enlargement and the stretch and the sphere. So stay tuned so that you may learn with me.